lost your interviewing rights.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Welcome back to the Mid-Afternoon Show, everybody. I'm here with Bailey.
Hi, nice to meet you.
What are you going to be doing after high school?
I'm going to go into the Air Force. When that happens, then I'm going to do college 4 years for cybersecurity, and then go on from there.
Now I have to say, this is his last Eagle Week, and he is a member of the club. But, ish. Okay, this guy is a pretty big marvel. Do you have anything you want to tell the camera?
Ninth graders.
Okay. Now, what do you think of Donald John Trump?
He's amazing, fantastic, does a 100% good job, never quits, he would never fail. 3 words, he builds the wall.
Here to hear first, ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
He builds the wall.
Her? Bailey. Bailey.
Bailey Birchfield.
It's not a phase, Mom. It's my life.
Hello, Jonah. How was picture day so far?
It's been a little stressful. Whenever we try to take a picture, people would yell strange things like, yell 26.
26. Keep it up.
At one point, people were yelling, which is a slang term.
We have a zero tolerance level. No copyright allowed.
Yes.
No National Honor Society. I'm afraid, buddy, we're going to have to cut this interview short. Something. Welcome back to the Mid-Afternoon Show. We are here with Eric Vincent and Eli Coppin. That's going to have to be cut out.
Oh no. I'm in the middle of something.
Hey, Richard, we're here to interview you. This is the Mid-Afternoon Show. How did you do at drum major auditions yesterday?
I went pretty well.
Pretty well? Okay. The competition's
Speak
tough.
louder.
Do you think you're going to be able to win?
Yes.
Are you losing your voice?
Yeah.
I can tell.
You doing, Cameron?
Doing good. Doing good.
Hey, Jeremiah, do you have something to say real quick?
I don't know what to say.
Go ahead.
What,
Say
to who?
This is the entire DHSAB club, as well as all the DHS staff and students, and potentially the superintendent.
Oh, snap. Well, the day has come. Well, it's been a long way since kindergarten. I've been here since kindergarten. I just want to say go seniors, and I don't know what's going to happen throughout the life, but
I'm in Tarman. I go to Douglas High School and I'm graduating.
Hi, how do you think it's going to go with Eagle Week here?
I think the seniors are going to whoop some.
Okay, well, I think she's got it down pat with the Michael Jackson theme. Eli is really loving this camera.
What are you doing? Can you stop?
I've seen this. It's like scary movie, whatever. And it's got the alien that walks past the camera, and I thought it would look like that on camera.
Okay, you heard it here first, folks. He's an alien.
Hi, I'm Lily King. I'm Sienna May. And we're 2019 high school seniors. We've waited 12 years for this crap. And we're excited to be graduating May 17th. Come on. Come see us.
Tyler Mitchell. Now, he's something to say. Who's going to win Eagle Week?
The seniors, definitely. I mean, no questions.
He says it's going to be Michael Jackson. I've heard several people say that, juniors are going to win. What do you think?
They need to get some more education.
Here we are with Seth Oettinger. Seth has something to say.
It's over.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is Elvis Presley.
I believe sophomores are going to win this.
All right. Yeah. As you heard it here first, folks, Elvis got this in the bag.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Elvis has left the building.
Kayla Eccles, I heard that you're going to be Freddie Mercury.
I am. And you want to know why? Because none of the boys wanted to be.
Seniors all the way.
Seniors all the way. Well, it's getting pretty close.
Well, I'm a
between
freshman
juniors
sponsor, so freshmen all the way.
This is a wonderful day at DHS. Enjoy, seniors.
Okay, welcome back to the Mid-Afternoon Show. I'm here with Miss Thurman. Now, who do you think is going to win Eagle Week?
Juniors. Kayla was pretty awesome. I don't know though. Brandon as Michael Jackson was like out of this world. And this is the first time where everybody's been awesome. The freshmen were awesome. The sophomores were awesome.
I'm here with Miss Amber. Now, how do you think Eagle Week went?
I think it went well.
She thinks Eagle Week went well.
Yes.
Okay, do you think the juniors got this in the bag?
It's very close. It's very close because, you know, they all did a really good job. Everybody did a good job. I liked all of them.
Especially the seniors and the juniors. It's a tie right there.
I liked them all.